happy kids! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's make something from these bubbles! So yesterday we had unboxed this package of bubble puzzles, and there is a book where we can find references to create something of this bubble, and I want to make a duck. Let's create a duck. Let's start. Wait, I think I kind of forget the duck looks like. Oh, there it is. Hi, I'm Duck. It's a lot of yellow, and all we need is patience. Yay, it finished! I'm so proud of you. You've patience and you've done it until the end. But wait, I think we need to see the reverse version of this. Would you like to see it? Let's go! Patience and patience. Wow, it finished! Here's for a beautiful duck, and I think it's quite similar even though we still have some differences, but it's okay. As long as we like it, it doesn't really matter. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Happy kids, happy! Yay!